Hello class, welcome back. Today we'll continue with the chapter 4, that is energy. Till date we have already discussed about different types of simple machine in GIST, about lever, different types of lever, inclined plane, its types, wheel and axle and pulley in GIST. Today we will carry forward with pulley. First we will discuss about the parts of pulley. Okay, so your pulley consists of a circular disc. Okay, let's compare our the circular disc resemble to that of a wheel. Okay, but in its rim is grooved. That means there is a depression in the rim. In that depression you have a rope winded up. Okay, with the help of that rope only you will be pulling the load. Okay, so your rope is wound around the grooved rim. Okay, and you have a axle, okay, around which your wheel rotates. Here you will term it as disc. This circular portion which resembles to that of a wheel you will term it as disc. Okay, and you have an axle and you have a grooved rim on the disc on which your rope is winded around. Okay, through the help of that rope only you will be lifting the load. So this is about the parts of the wheel or parts of pulley. Next we will be discussing about two type of pulley system: single movable pulley system and another one single fixed pulley system. Okay, first let us discuss about fixed pulley system. Single fixed pulley system. So in case of fixed pulley system, your wheel is fixed in one point. Okay, and your rope would be only free to move. Okay, if you have been around the area where construction is being carried out, where buildings have been made, okay, if you have been to that area, laborers, in order to make their work easier, what do? They lift the load with the help of this kind of applying this fixed pulley system. Okay, they will place a bricks here, the one they want to carry. Okay, and then one of the person from the ground level will be pulling the rope and the one on the top will be receiving this load. Okay, so the force applied by the person on the ground level is effort. Okay, and the one who will be receiving the package will be receiving the load. Okay, here in single fixed pulley system, your wheel is fixed at one point and only your rope is movable. Okay, now next we will be discussing about movable pulley system, single movable pulley system. So next one is your single movable pulley system. Now in case of single movable pulley system, your wheel can be moved. Okay, it has a hook like thing where you will be clinging the load. One end of the rope is fixed to a support and another one is free. Okay, we will apply the effort here and your wheel will be moving. That's why it is referred to as a movable pulley system. Okay, here your wheel is movable. In case of fixed pulley system, your wheel was fixed to a support. Okay, and both the ropes were movable. But in this case, in case of movable pulley system, one end of the rope is fixed to a support, another one is free, and your wheel is movable. Okay, so that's all about fixed and single pulley movable and fixed pulley system. You should know the difference between two. Okay, now next we will be discussing about how can we take care of the machine. Okay, if machines, as you know, are most of the time made up of iron, and you know that if iron are exposed to air, it easily gets rusted, right? So in order to prevent the rusting of a machine, what you should do? You should paint it. Okay, machines are generally painted in order to prevent the rusting. Okay, now since parts of the machines are movable all the time, because of that friction will be produced, and that friction might even lead to wear and tear of the machine. So you should lubricate the machine also from time to time. Okay. Another is, whenever your machines are not in use, you should cover it up with the help of a cloth in order to prevent the dust from residing on the machine. Okay, even that can also lead to spoilage of a machine. Okay, so whenever it's not in a use, you should cover it with the cloth. Okay, so by following all these methods, you can take care of the machine. So that's all about this chapter, chapter 4. From this chapter of lever, different classes of lever, you should just have a general idea about inclined plane, wheel and axle. Pulley, in pulley you will be discussing about the difference between fixed pulley system and movable pulley system. And third one is how to take care of the machine, what are the different steps. These are the important topics from this chapter. Next, I'll follow it up with the question answer from this chapter. Thank you.